Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PC German Classes. Today we are going to talk about basic greetings in German language. So let's start. First, hallo, that is hello. Then grüß dich, that is casual way to greet someone. Then it is grüß Gott, that is most popular in southern Germany and Austria. Then we have Guten Morgen, that is good morning. Then we have Guten Tag, we can say when we have to say good day or good afternoon. So any time of the day we can say Guten Tag. Then we have Guten Abend, good evening. So I will repeat again how to say hello in different ways. Hallo, grüß dich, grüß Gott, guten Tag, guten Morgen, guten Abend. Then what is good night? Gute Nacht. That is not guten, that is gute Nacht. Then how we say bye? There are also several words for bye. We are going to do that now. Auf Wiedersehen. See you soon. Auf Wiederhören. When we are saying bye on the telephone. Cheers. That when we are saying bye casually to our friends. Then bis bald. See you soon. Then we have bis später. That is see you later. I am going to repeat all the words again. Hallo, grüß dich, grüß Gott, guten Tag, guten Morgen, guten Abend, gute Nacht. Then how do you say bye? Auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiederhören. Cheers. Bis bald. Bis später. So these are the words we can use for the basic greetings. So if you have any questions, do let me know, and more videos will be coming about the German language. Thank you. Danke. Thank you.